What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rough Builds. It's been a while since I've made a video. It's been a while since I've even been in the unit to check on the car or do anything in that matter. But I'm gonna try and get out here a little more and work on it. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick update because I never updated after the cage and the front end was done. So yeah, I figured I'd pop in real quick and give a quick update. I have a lot of parts that I need to be that need to be put on. Like I got to put the motor together still. I got most of like the actual motor done, but it's like all the accessories and stuff, throttle body, the injectors and the new fuel rails and everything that need to go into the intake manifold, all that stuff. And then just like I still need fuel cell. I have the fuel system, and then I can mount the fuel cell and run all the lines and get the fuel system in line. I got the ECU and stuff, so we could technically just drop the motor in and hook everything up. Still got to get transmission and the rear end built and a drive shaft, but pretty much other than that, I'd say that sums pretty much everything up. Obviously we got to get the turbo kit together and get that all done, but I think my goal is to get it running before I even do the turbo kit. But anyway, the front end's done. Got the full, I believe it's a 10-point cage that I got. Yeah, it's a 10-point cage that we got from Team Z. The guy who did everything, he did through the floor subframe connectors for me, and he added some bars, I believe, a brace over the transmission tunnel, and yeah, a couple other things. So I'll definitely go back to him. He did really good work. I think we're gonna do some future stuff, especially when we got to upgrade to like a 25.5 or whatever. He kind of based it around that, so we didn't have to do too much or cut the whole cage out and restart. So that's good. So here is front end. It's the Team Z front end. So I think we're gonna add a few bars to it. This all welded up all the way around. I think we're gonna add some support. I should have probably just got from the inside cage, the 12-point or whatever that comes out into the engine bay. But we'll add some bars probably from the strut towers, and we'll just brace on each side or something like that, because I mean, don't get me wrong, with all the weight of the front end, well, I guess it doesn't really matter. But either way, we're gonna brace it, I think, for peace of mind. And anyway, it turned out really good. I really like it. We welded up the radiator mounts. Radiator's just sitting over there. We took it there, got it all welded up. Definitely gonna have to clean some rust off this stuff from sitting. We got a lot of snow here. But let's take a look at the inside. Hopefully you guys can see. It's dark in here. Yeah, you can't really see too well, but yeah, everything goes up and over. Oh my God, it is dusty up in here. Yeah, so I gotta go ahead and clean this, but he painted it pretty much for me. I think he missed a few spots like the front. Yeah, you can't see that, but that's still bare metal. I gotta paint that when that windshield comes out. But we added a few bars here. You can't really see, this sucks, but you know, we got the through the floors. He did. Added a nice little kicker. Got the bar here, and then we did this bracing that goes over the tunnel. So I like that. And we got them on both sides, and we got the torque box bars there. I added some bars from Team Z. And then, yeah, they just go to the plates back there. You can't really see, but yeah, I think it turned out pretty good, and I'm happy with it. So I need to get my butt out here. If I'm not, at work doing something, then I need to be here. It's just life's getting in the way. But yeah, I got some motor stuff over here. Need to finish that up. I got my radiator. I got my fans and the shroud and all that stuff, and I just have so many parts. I just kept buying parts and parts and parts, and figured I would, you know, be here to install them, but I haven't been, so it'll keep me busy for a while. So I think we're gonna try and get this thing running the way it is with the motor in it, and just at least try and get it running and driving towards the end of the year, hopefully, and then by then we can maybe piece together a turbo kit and get this thing rolling, man. It's been a long time, and I'm not really the best at getting out here and posting a video or whatever, or even working on it when I'm not videoing. So I need to figure everything out so I can get back rolling on this thing, because I miss this thing, man. Watching everyone at Sick Week and all my YouTubers that I watch and follow and all them racing and stuff. It's just making me so sad and miss this car so much. So, I mean, I never really got out of it. It's just a living situation and money situation that hasn't really allowed me to fully focus on the car, but it's still here. I still got it. She ain't going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere. So we'll get her done. So just want to give you guys a little update. I know I'm rambling and shit, but you know, I'm happy where the car is right now, and we got a lot of shit that you know, can go into the car. So I'll bust some ass when I'm down here, you know, and we'll get to it. Hopefully make some progress by spring. It's really cold right now, but the next few months I think we'll see some good progress. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe to the video. I also noticed in the 7 months off that I've had from making a video that 99.1% or something like that of non-subscribers watch the video. So if you do like the video, come across it, and you might have to wait a while to see some stuff. I'm not an everyday poster or anything like that every week. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button for me, and it means a lot. So thanks, guys. We'll see you later.
Said she might slide with the gang, get high, take flight like I said she like vodka with the Sprite, anything on ice like I said she might party all day, stay up all night like I said she like I said she like